Hello everybody, time for a quick catch up. Just thought I'd show you the garden. I've just been cutting grass today. I'm just re-digging over these borders, just tidying up a little bit round pond. Still got this border to weed, but we're getting there. So we'll go to the shed and we'll have a catch up, quick view at fish, and we'll see what's been going on. We've got a bit of storm damage there from all big winds, but that's all damage we've had. But I think we're changing these out this year anyway, so never mind. So we'll go in, we'll just put this on mute, and we'll get a bait out at fridge, and I think we're going to have Red Dog Ales, Cherry Baubles, Cherry Imperial Stout, 7.5% from Red Dog. We'll just put this on bar next to my glass, and I'll just show you a new addition I've managed to source. I've still got the big mirror and all them bits there. I've got another fridge, and it's virtually brand new. Virtually brand new, even got a spare light on top there. So I'm not sure whether I'm going to use this as a normal fridge just to keep beers in back at bar, or whether I'm going to use it for a keg, maybe to an hand pull. Not sure, but we'll see. We'll get you on bar. Where can we sit you? Will that do on there? I think that'll do. Am I in? Slide you back a bit. And we're there. So, hello everybody. Get this in a glass. And this is one of the beers, or should I say, one of the extra beers that I was sent when we did the 1 can kit challenge, of which I've still got quite a few of them beers to drink. And we're just trying to force a little bit of a head. Put that over there with that. And I can smell cherry from here. Really can. That's really strong on the aroma, is that? So, like I say, this was sent to me from Red Dog. Cherry Baubles, Cherry Imperial Stout, 7.5%. And it smells delicious. Really does. Anyway, cheers everybody. Cheers John. Definitely getting cherry. I'm getting chocolate. Very little alcohol for a 7.5. But I dare say I'll know about it in half an hour. I'll start to get a little bit of a buzz, which is no bad thing. So it's catch up time again. Not too much to catch up with again. Still had a few little issues carrying on with family life, but we're getting there. In fact, I've left my phone over there. I just want a few more weeks for weather just to pick up a little bit, and then I can start changing my bar. I'm not putting any more kegs. I'm not doing any more kegging for foreseeable future. Any brews that I do, I'm going to bottle, purely because I'm going to be ripping this bar out unless I knock some sort of Heath Robinson thing up with one of my taps and I have it in conservatory to a keg. Could do that, but that'll upset boss, I would think. Yeah, so I'm not going to keg. I'm going to have a little bit left in there of a cider. I think I might bottle that front keg, and then I can give everything a right good clean. In fact, I might even bin all my pipes, reline them when I put my new bar in. More than likely will. And I can get everything boxed up, out of the way, and then I can start to strip all these beers and gins and whiskies and things out. And it's going to be quite a big job, actually. Bigger than I was thinking. But we'll get there eventually. So I've still not brewed. I've had a few little things to get on with. And I did have a few people message and ask me how my daughter were going on, and I'm sorry for not looking at camera, I'm just looking for these photographs. Asking how my daughter were going on. If you don't know, she had an accident. It's about 9 weeks ago now, 9.5 weeks ago, and we thought she'd broken her ankle, and because we couldn't go in hospital with her at the time, we didn't get to speak to any doctors or anything. I mean, she's 22, so she's an adult. She went straight into theatre, operated on her, put her leg back together, and basically she was home next day. We have vac slab on, which is half pot, half bandage, and she's had that on for 8 weeks. Not been able to put her foot to the floor. She's had to have a wheelchair. She had that off, that back slab. They checked her leg. They potted her. She had that on for 8 weeks. She's just had that off now. Re-x-rayed it, and everything looks fine. It's just a matter of healing now. She's got like a rubber boot thing to wear now, but they reckon it can be 8 to 12 months now before a full recovery. And what she actually did, she broke her leg, dislocated her ankle and broke her leg. And people have been asking, and I'm sure my daughter won't mind, if you look, if you can see that there, the break that she did. Is that, you get that? Oh, it's just going to keep spinning into it, and that's showing you there. So they had to manipulate it and put it back together by means of pinning it and putting a plate in and screwing it. And she's got, I'll show you this one, she's got 11 screws, a plate, and 11 screws in a leg. And that's another view from the other side. So it was no trivial thing that she's had. She's been in some pain. But I'll give her one thing, she's not really moaned, she's just got on with it. And like I say, she's gone 8 weeks without touching floor with it. She's had the pot off and she's now done, she did a tentative, I think it was 20 steps on crutches yesterday. So that's a positive step for a better word going forward. And it's just a matter of little and often now until she can build her strength up. But it's painful now. First few weeks she was on a lot of painkillers, and for the last 3 weeks or so she's not been on them. But now that pot's off and she's having to start to work it and try to get back to some normality, she's in pain again. So she's back on painkillers. But these things are there to test us, aren't they? So for those that asked, thank you, and she's doing fine. It's just going to be slow and steady. And it's just another interruption with me and my hobbies. But like I said, we've just got a new fridge. That's going to go back at bar, like I said. Not sure whether to use it as a fridge or what, you know, as a fridge for beers or a fridge for a keg, because I do want to put an ampoule in, and it can get a bit warm in somewhere in here, so that will need to be in a fridge. And I've not really much more to tell you. I have had some of these beers that have been sent. I've had 3, and I think if I put 3 together in one video it's going to be too long. Well, I might have to be in 2s. They're ready for editing. And the 3 I've had, I've really enjoyed. So I'm looking forward to trying some more. In fact, I might do another 1 or 2 straight after this. In fact, I probably will. And it's a short one this week, fellas. Not too much to tell you. Things are looking up now. So hopefully, next few weeks, we'll slowly get back into doing my videos again, and we'll slowly get back into doing my shed and everything that goes with it, in and around personnels. So I'll catch you all next week, or next time. Cheers everybody.